Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen. Welcome to Miji's Kitchen.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and today we are going to be making something like what I saw on my channel last time I made it. You guys loved it and I think, drum roll please, we're going to make carrot cake. It's the same recipe, almost the same recipe as banana bread, but we have carrots instead. So let's remember our 3 rules. Washing our hands, wearing an apron to protect ourselves from the messes, and always asking an adult for help when we're using the stove, the oven, and the knives. So let's go wash our hands. Now let's go wear our apron. Okay, so now that I have my apron on, I want to tell you that in this recipe, we're going to be putting our cake in the oven. So you always need to ask for help. Don't do it yourself or you'll probably hurt yourself, okay? So let me tell you the ingredients of what this delicious cake is going to have. So we're going to have 125 grams of butter. I melted the butter a little bit just to make the mixture a little bit softer. Half a cup of white sugar, 2 cups, 1 cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 5 eggs, 3 grated carrots. We have 1 cup of whole grain flour and 2 cups of plain flour. So the first thing we're going to do is add in our sugar and our butter. So I'm going to add in our brown sugar first into our bowl. Next, our white sugar. And our butter. Put everything in. We don't want to waste any little bit. So now that we've done that, we can mix our sugar and our butter together. Now, I know most of you must be wondering, I said that this recipe was going to be a lot like the banana bread, but we have the same ingredients except from the carrots. But how we're going to do this is we're going to mix all of the other ingredients first and then add our carrots. So it's a little bit of a twist. Come, hear the sound. I think that it would be easier for you guys to melt your butter because if you left the butter like that, you would spend a while trying to mix it since it's harder. I think this texture is just right. So off camera, I mixed it more because the more that you mix it, the sugar dissolves. Look at that. That's how you want, it can be that texture, but whatever texture you prefer is fine. But I would think that this would be the preferable texture for your sugar. Anyways, so after we have mixed our sugar and butter, we're going to add our 5 eggs. I've already cracked my eggs open in a bowl to make it easier for me. Now let's mix. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you like carrot cake and if you like what we this video. So after you've mixed your eggs in, we're going to add our flours. So we have used wholemeal because we want to be healthier. That's also why we use brown sugar. So let's add our wholemeal first. So now that that's mixed in, I mixed in the wholemeal before adding the rest of the flour to make it easier to mix in. So let's add our 2 cups of flour. Do it gently so that you don't make a mess in your kitchen. I'm going to add nutmeg. I was going to add you can add vanilla extract, but if you want something different, you can always add nutmeg. So I'm going to add a pinch of nutmeg. And we're also going to add some baking soda. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix now. So now that we've mixed in everything, we're going to add the finishing touch, our carrots. The reason why this cake is being made. I'm not going to add a lot of carrots, just a little bit. So now let's mix it in. Look at how smooth it is. Okay, so I think that it's ready now. So we're going to get our plates ready to put in the oven. We always need to put butter on them so that they don't stick. Get in them on the bottom and at the sides. So we're going to fill our bowls. Please don't take them all the way to the top because they are going to rise in the oven. Okay, so now that we filled in our bowls, we're gonna put it in the oven. Always ask an adult for help. No one is getting burnt because they're watching my video, okay? Anyways, so the oven has to be 168 degrees Celsius. So let's go put it in the oven. Always ask an adult for help. Okay, so now that we've done our carrot cake, let's see the finishing result. This is absolutely divine. Please, if you like this recipe and this carrot cake, please like and subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any more amazing videos. Bye. See you next time on Maggie's Kitchen.